A local marijuana company that extracts hash oil from marijuana plants is being charged in federal court for illegally dumping hazardous waste. We have a map of the 5 locations here mentioned in that case. More than 1,000 gallons of ethanol waste allegedly dumped in places like Santee and Valencia Park. NBC7 investigates. Rory Devine is in El Cajon at one of the alleged dumping sites. Rory?
Yes, Monica, the address that's on this federal indictment is what led us to this shopping mall here on Avocado Avenue. 4 drums of the waste allegedly dumped here. We don't know exactly where. Were they dumped behind the Vons where there is a dumpster, or perhaps in an alley? We don't know. What we do know, though, is that this stuff is dangerous and that this shopping mall is not the only shopping mall or strip mall used as an alleged dumping ground.
It was just dumped right here by the dumpsters, just right here.
The security guard for the strip mall on Logan Avenue showed us where he says at least 1 drum of hazardous waste was found in June of last year. Contaminated or dirty ethanol used to extract hash oil from the marijuana plant, illegally dumped.
That's insane. That's crazy. Who would do that?
Named in a federal indictment, Walgreens California, one of the company's owners, as well as an employee, all accused of transporting dirty ethanol to unpermitted sites. Off of State Routes 52, another place in El Cajon on Hamashaw, Avocado Avenue. 28 55-gallon drums dumped in 5 places over a 6-month period beginning in 2018. What do you make of that?
I mean, that's incredible. That's horrible, first of all.
Walgreens did not know that these drums were being illegally dumped.
Vikas Bajaj is the lawyer for Walgreens California. He does not represent the 2 people named in the indictment. He says because of the conflict between state and federal laws regarding the cannabis industry, the company got caught up in what he calls the evil necessity of having to hire a consultant to advise them on the regulations.
Walgreens California, after being wooed by this consulting firm and being sold a bill of goods that was untrue and could not be delivered.
Children could have gotten hurt. Anybody could have gotten hurt. It's horrible.
The 2 people from the company who are named in this indictment are accused of actually calling the truck driver, making contact with him, the truck driver who allegedly dumped this hazardous waste, then paying him and his assistants in cash in an amount about half the cost of a lawful disposal. Now, the attorney for the company puts it this way. He says, an indictment is not evidence. Reporting live, I'm Rory Devine, NBC7 Investigates.
Thank you, Rory.